Hi, it's
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. This is our nice suburb. Hey, look where I splashed myself. Hi, it's Joey Prank Tubes HD. And welcome to Jackass. If you're going to Jace's work, you go straight. There's a bunch of car doors and...
How far away is that?
By Costco.
Alright, so today we're using our Ford Ranger 2001 4x6 bed. This is the Slup scrap channel. Today we're going to be scrapping some apartment complexes, I think.
Car doors.
Some car doors.
Oh god, I'm making old person noises again. Such a pig.
Sean is getting a drink.
D-R-A-N-K. Drink. Oh, look at my... I like the raspberry kind because it reminds me of my grandmother. You don't got none of the... Oh, that's lemonade.
He likes the raspberry kind because it reminds him of his grandma. Yeah. We haven't even got any metal yet.
Yeah.
Just been driving.
So we've been filming for 9.5 minutes and we've gone to the convenience store.
Now let's actually get some metal.
Yeah, now let's actually go.
Look at the remains of last load.
Got some barbecue grill. I want to shave my mustache so that way I look like Adolf Hitler. Hey, there's that. Oh, that dumpster is still there.
It's pretty full.
It's always pretty full. That's a piece of metal. Oh, there's... No, that looks like wood. Give me a second, guys.
Alright, so we found a dumpster outside UDF. Ugh. Hey, there's a piece of a license plate.
No, that's just the cover, and that is plastic. I know, we tested it last time we were here.
Alright, so we're gonna try and get this piece of metal.
Ow, that gum.
First piece of metal of the day.
Delicious. Oh, you suck at driving. You're too distracted. No one's gonna watch these videos. My dad said he would, but I said, you probably don't want to.
Oh, there's a dumpster.
I see some car doors.
Oh, yes. Oh, I do see some car doors.
No, all of it.
Keep some of it. Alright, so we just came across a lot of car doors.
A place.
Down at see that Sean knows where to go. He knows the places.
That's a heavy door.
Here, you get that in, I'll get this in. I'll just bring it over to you, I guess.
Darn, I was hoping that you could be the one to put it in.
It's starting to rain a little bit. It's starting to rain. Oh, here, put these in fast. Here.
You stop at gas.
Alright, so
fuck the camera.
it's raining pretty.
You got anything to clean myself up with? I got all the sticky shit.
Use that shirt, I don't care.
I wish you had a wet nap.
So,
well, this shirt's useless.
there's still more metal in that trash can, but it's...
If it's in the can, it's plastic.
It's really hot and raining really hard. So we're just gonna wait for it to stop a little bit. We'll be right back when it starts raining. Yeah, there was only one more piece of metal in that trash can. And it was a stereo system.
Excuse me. Hi. Can I help you? I look like a Caucasian filthy Frank.
We see a trash can. There's stuff hanging out. I don't know if it's metal or not, but we'll see. There's a lot of construction around here, so they might be throwing away something.
Yeah.
No metal in there.
Well,
Just a whole bunch of cardboard and...
Go up by the front. The front door, there's always something. That fridge is plugged in.
Oh man, there's a fridge right there. Sadly, it's plugged in. We
Here,
can't
let me
take that.
check.
Oh, looks like he found something. There he goes. Oh, I see some clippers in there. There's some metal in that one. Let me go check the metal on this one. Found a few brooms and there's a big chunk. Oh, sorry.
Don't take anything.
Take the camera.
Go. Don't take anything around here because there's so much construction you can't tell what's trash and what ain't.
There's a couple of very full trash cans up there.
Yeah, you check. I'm just gonna send the van.
So there's a few big chunks of metal in there. We got another big piece of sheet metal here, so that's good. I need Sean's help to help me get this one out. We're not allowed. Oh.
Just like when you did this, when I was in the dumpster and started taking stuff out of it, that's not. You guys can't be doing that.
Okay. Same guy that just yelled at us just came back again. He's got me blocked out. Oh shit, he's taking a picture of my license plate.
Oh well.
I don't know why we can't take stuff out of the dumpster. It's literally going into the trash.
Yeah.
Is this guy gonna let us out or something?
I don't know.
I think he's blocking us. This guy's got us blocked out here on purpose.
Shit.
Looks like he's calling the cops on us or something. Looks like he's got his friend here. I don't know what he's doing. He's stirring up drama or something. Yeah, so they got us blocked in here. I guess they're waiting for the cops to come. Looks like he's walking away now. He's waiting for someone to come.
Peace.
There we go.
Oh, let's get the show on the road.
Now let's get out of here.
Oh,
What did he say?
hands on the dash. Hello.
Hey, just keep your hands on the dashboard for a sec, guys.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
You guys don't have any weapons or anything like that in the car?
No.
Yeah, no. Did we do something?
Yeah, did we do
You got a
something
report
wrong?
of a theft, and that you guys are the suspects. So,
Oh.
driver, I'm gonna have you go ahead and step out.
I can explain.
Okay, I'll talk
sorry.
to you in just a second, okay, man?
Yeah, sorry.
Hey, Gwen, will you keep an eye on him? I'm just gonna go talk to these guys real quick.
Oh yeah, I'm sitting on it. This is when your car's gonna just die.
Thanks. Okay.
Man, that was the scariest.
It happens. So the police just came, I guess.
To make smart decisions.
They just told us we
Can
need.
you just take me home?
Alright, so pretty much they told us we can't go through the little storage units, but we could have gone through the big dumpsters, which is what we were doing anyway.
Yeah.
But I guess they said we literally could have just done exactly what we were doing. So it just wasted our time. Now we're done for the day. They told us that if we get cut by metal, it's not their fault, which we kind of knew anyway. Why did they brought like 5 or 6 cops over, and we have no idea why.
Yeah, I was trying to figure that one out.
Pretty crazy.
Man, I could have sworn that guy put his hands on his handcuffs. I was like, oh shit.
I know. I thought he was gonna handcuff us. He said, "You probably heard this," but he's like, "Put your hand on the dash." So I had to let go of the camera, put my hand on the dashboard.
No, I was the one who told you, because I'm like this, and you're like, what do you say? Put your hand on the fucking dash, Joe, before you get shot.
They got someone went and robbed them before, so they thought we were trying to rob them.
What? Well, thank God we didn't have the BB gun in the car.
Yeah, I had a BB gun. It was my friend's. I dropped it off last night just because I was, oh my gosh, that was so lucky. So I guess the workers thought that we were just like straight up stealing their stuff, but it looked like a trash can to us, and there was trash in it. So that's what they got confused on. So they called the cops and said we were stealing their stuff.
In progress.
They didn't say anything about us being scrappers. They just straight up said they're trying to steal our stuff.
They said a theft in progress. Go. And I said, what's the accusation, officer?
This is what he was doing. Put your hand on the...
He like pulled you out first.
Yeah, he's like, get out of the car.
Yeah,
like, keep your hands on.
I'm just standing there like, oh fuck, I got shit really bad. I'm gonna shit my pants. And then he like grabbed my ball sack. I wasn't gonna say anything. I'm not gonna say like assault. I'm just
No, officer, no.
No, officer.
Oh, I was so annoyed. That guy blocked us in with his forklift.
Yeah. But you know, it happens.
Well, what would they? All right, well.
Okay, thank you, Joe. I'll
Drop
love
it
you.
off, Sean.
Hey, my golf bags are gone.
God bless.
Bye. Oh, they're in the garage.